AI has properly arrived, and you might be kind of worried about the implications. I showed our communications director, ChatGPT, writing an email to advise staff of a serious security incident. He couldn't believe what he was seeing. His jaw literally fell open and he said, "That's exactly what we'd write. I might be out of a job." And it got me thinking, what is AI going to take over for us? What are we still going to be needed for? And it's worrying, right? AI is creating art, writing emails, action plans. Where do we come in? Well, here's what I think. Emotion, compassion, empathy, responding to an individual human with a real connection in a moment when they need it. And that's not just in a taking care of someone kind of way, but in a business needs way too. The person who needs their frustration validated and possible solutions talked through. The person who needs encouragement and empowerment to try what they're thinking and make it work. The team that needs someone to help them face facts, deal with constraints, or see the opportunities and how we're going to move forward. That's all human to human stuff. That's where leaders, managers, people are still going to be needed. Sure, ChatGPT can help you write an email, but it can't help you decide whether and when to send it. It can't help you recognize that Claire's worried about the redundancies that might be coming, or that David needs one last extra little push to get his project over the line. And we've seen this before, right? Calculators didn't stop us needing people who were good at maths. Google didn't stop us needing people who know stuff. AI isn't going to stop us needing people who can work out what to say right now to the person in front of them. However powerful AI gets, we're going to need people who are able to connect, communicate, collaborate. That's you. That's the leader that you can be. So don't worry about how AI is going to take your job. Start thinking about how you can use it to help you be better at your job. Grab my expert pack for 3 ways to improve your leadership instantly. And here's the video YouTube thinks you should watch next. I'll see you there.